How much do we know about death and beyond? That's an area we can only assume or debate based on what others have said or what we have read. But animals can never go wrong. Recently, I happened to come across an incident where a dog got drawn to a place where there was ancestral rituals happening. More about that in this video. Our scriptures instruct us once a year to dedicate a certain period of time for our ancestors. This is called as Pitru Paksha. Pitru means ancestors and Paksha means a 15-day period in the lunar cycle. Pitru Paksha falls on the second fortnight, the waning phase of the moon in the Bhadrapada month or the September month. It comes a fortnight after Ganesh Chaturthi. The Mahalaya Amavasya or the new moon in that time period is the culmination of the 15 days of rituals for the ancestors. Each day has a specific quality and is said to be attributed to people who have died in a certain way. For example, the fourth and fifth day are for people who have just passed away the previous year. The ninth day is for women who had died before their husbands. And the 14th day is for ancestors who died through Akala Mrityu. That means sudden deaths through accident, murders or suicide and so on. Right now, I am at the Sai Amartha Narayana Temple in Richmond in Virginia, USA. Today is the Mahalaya Amavasya, the culmination of the Pitru Paksha.
Today is Mahalaya Amavasya, last day for the Pitru Paksha. This is a place for the Pitru Kshetram. Very unique. Bhairava sitting here. Vicha Bhairavi and Vicha Mahabhairava. Basically, your Pitru generation, the male and female Pitru generation.
I've been coming here for the last 3 days. They start the pujas and Abhishekam at 3:30 a.m. at Brahma Muhurta. They start the puja at the Guru Pitam. It is the Guru who has established the Devata and has introduced us to the Devata and the rituals. So the first acknowledgement is to the Guru and to receive the blessings and then proceed to the rituals. At the Vriksha Bhairava Kshetram, Pandit Rajagopal, also called as Mama by the devotees, tied the pavitram in the ring finger of all the devotees who were there for a special puja. It is a certain grass tied to protect one from negative energies. Then Mama asked everyone to touch the turmeric container by remembering their deceased ancestors. Turmeric, Mama says, is a very auspicious substance and which can act as a medium and as a communication between us and the ancestors. Then the turmeric was offered at the base of the Vriksha Bhairava and the Abhishekams were done to the hundreds of saligrams that were there by Mama and Babu Garu. The tirtham was splashed on the devotees' faces. This cleanses them of the negative energies and also purifies them.
Now Abhishekam done. This is a tirtham, is a very important. Whenever there is prayer, this is a tirtham. Another part we give the honey. Pitru Aradhana. Honey is very important. We offer to the honey the prayer. Every day I go waterfalls, getting the water. I never feel single day also I feel tired, very long drive like that. Why I enjoy what I am doing. That is a particular aksharam for Painkara also. The sitting at the waterfall. My master told me that the Painkara Aksharam is a Pitri concept. You need the blessing for the Pitris, you go to the waterfall. Sit sometime, listen to the noise, the water noise. You get the blessing from your Papa. That's why my master told me, every 2 weeks I'll go get the water for offering to the Baba, Amrita Narayana. Now doing the Pitru Paksham, I go every day. Because every day we doing Aradhana Pitri, different Pitri we are dealing. That's why the water also we need a fresh water. We cannot use for the previous day for next day, like that all. That's why every day we go the waterfall. Today also we go do all the Visarjanam, we do the Samshuddhi, all those things. Now we can do the Parikrama. Today is a lot of people and do slowly the Parikrama. Fairy singing the few bhajans also. Make silent decision. Again I am telling to you, this is your Pitru. Your Pitru is sitting here means you want to more observe. You need a more patience. It's not a tree. Pitru is
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Ayya Darshanam Swami Ayya Darshanam. Bangaru Dutta Vaina Ayya Darshanam. Raya Pallo Ravi Mulla
On the 12th day, around 4 am, a dog walked into that area of Vrikshabhairava temple. Remember, this is USA where very rarely there are stray dogs and the whole temple is also fenced all around. There was no ID tags on the dog to identify the owner. He walked around a few times and then tried to step into the temple. Devotees gently prevented that. Then somebody fed some milk and he seemed to settle down. People started addressing him as Bhairava. That day, even after all the devotees had left for their home after the rituals, Bhairava stayed at the main Sai temple under Babu Garu's care. As the US laws prohibit people from adopting stray dogs as or unclaimed dogs as pets, he was handed over to the local animal shelter. Eventually, the owner reached out to the animal shelter and was going to pick up Buddy the next day. Yes, Buddy was his real name. Meanwhile, the people at the animal shelter diagnosed Buddy as having advanced prostate cancer. That night, in his sleep, he passed away peacefully. Did he know that it was his final day? Is that why he came towards the Vrikshabhairava Kshetra? How did he come to this place at the early hours of the day? Would he have attained to join his Pitrus? These were the questions that were being discussed amongst the devotees that day. But only the master Sridhar Guruji or Lord Bhairav himself would know for sure. This incident made me realize that rituals that have been instructed by the rishis are effective even today. Just that it has to be done with sincerity, dedication and devotion. The scriptures say that the Pitrus, our ancestors, come to visit us during this time. We may not be able to see them, but such incidents show us that there is something happening beyond our understanding. I have seen such situations with cows and crows in India, but in India they are everywhere. I have heard and also seen that crows, dogs, snakes and mostly every animal behaves a little differently when they are going to die. But for a dog to walk all the way to this place where a Pratishtha of Vrikshabhairava is, and especially when the ancestral rituals are happening, is something which blew my mind. It was a clear proof that rituals do create a very powerful situation. As people were departing, Mama said, although the Pitru Paksha comes only once in a year, our gratitude and remembrance for our ancestors and parents should be there every day. We are here today only because of our ancestors and parents. Not only they have been the source of our origin, but also they have contributed to who we are and what we are in so many different ways. So spending time with our parents, taking care of their physical needs, emotional needs, and just attending to them is very important. However prosperous one may be, one will not be able to enjoy those prosperity without the blessings of our ancestors and parents. Namaskar.